all for tuning into my channel. Welcome back, my lovelies, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. In this way, I get all your love, all your sweetness and goodness, which is my boost of energy. And if this is your first time, hi, this is Ishi. Thank you for coming in and tuning in here with me. So today it's all about how to style an oversized sweater vest. I think vest is such a fantastic transitional layering piece for putting together outfits, and I really believe that it's a key staple to have in your closets for this spring when it's still a little cool outside and you necessarily don't need a jacket, but just a little layer of warmth. And I think sweater vest is just brilliant for that purpose. So this is a wide cut sweater vest from H&M, and it also comes in cream and black color, but personally this beige color has kind of become my favorite these days. And honestly, when I saw this vest, I pictured a very dear sister friend of mine. Her name is Miss Cruz, and she's in her early 50s, a wonderful soul. God bless her always. But I pictured her in it, and I thought to myself that she would look super sweet in it. So that's how my inspiration came and how to style this sweater vest. The point is that it's such a versatile piece for you to have in your wardrobe, which will go for all ages personally. So you can always pick and choose a style which you're about to see that would suit your preference, and then play with it a little bit. Okay, so getting back to the vest, it's a very loose fit knit sweater vest, oversized. It's in a soft cotton blend material. It's 60% cotton, so can be worn if you reside in a hot country. It's got V-neck, gently dropped shoulders with back-facing seams, and a rib knit trim at the neckline and at the armholes, angled slits, and it's an oversized fit, so please size down. This is an extra small. Also remember that V-necks will always accentuate the collar of the shirt you're wearing under. So I mean, if it's a turtleneck, a mock neck, a neck with frills, a button down collar shirt, or a closed mandarin collar shirt, all those necks can get emphasized and become the focal point, because the V kind of draws a border to the neck, bringing your collar forward. Now, the knits from H&M are always great to have in your wardrobe, because every year they come up with lovely designs, styles and fabric, and I think it's a must-have in everybody's closet. And also shorter vests are available if that's the style you are looking into. But if this is the style, I would want you guys to have something that is long, thick, oversized, and a good pattern going on, like a good texture going on, because that will help the fabric fall and look better. Because it's thick, it can be bulky, but that's where we have to get creative and play around a little bit. So here is where I would like you to think that what do I want to get from the stores as trends, and what do I want to get from my closet, so that they all work together, if that's making sense. Anyways, I think I blabbered too much. I think I did. Alright, so let's launch it, and I will show you the styles.
First up is just a classic way of wearing the vest with white cut jeans. Wear a tank top under, since the armhole is quite big, and then to glam it up, wear a couple of chunky bracelets, hoops and a studded clutch with heels. Next up is a very comfy, cool, figure-friendly and sort of a laid-back, relaxed look. I can see lots of you carrying this style beautifully. Carry a bigger purse or tote to complement the style. Here, sticking to the more lighter tones gives a little sophistication to the style. This is perfect for coffee dates and family gatherings. white on white and all tucked in will give you a stylish and a polished look. Again, a very relaxed figure-friendly look with oversized poplin shirt. Carry a bigger bag because everything is looser here. White sneakers, if you have them, they will be ideal for this look. Same look, but jazz it up by adding a waist belt and matching pumps. An easy summer evening dress for patio dinners. Now, a basic white shirt and blue jean. You cannot go wrong with this style. My favorite look is this denim on denim, but make sure whether you choose light or dark, the tones of the denim should be the same for your shirt and for your jeans. And now for a fun night vibe, this look is perfect. A touch of leather legging is all you need. And lastly, a new take on a modern but subtle and casual Cinderella look. Fluff your cotton dress with mid-shaft boots.